Welcome to Knowledge Chat channel. As you all know that in previous videos we have discussed about the new concepts in recommender system subjects. You know that this recommender system is one of the most core topic in artificial intelligence engineering curriculum. It plays a very vital role in almost all the AI based applications. So we have to understand the terminologies, we have to understand the standards, and we have to understand what are the different norms that are followed. So in this regard, we are in a way of posting a series of videos in the subject, that is recommender systems. So in previous videos we have discussed about what are the primary goals and what are the different types of secondary goals. Whereas in this video, let us see, we have discussed about what are the different secondary goals, and you know that the different secondary goals of the recommender systems are relevance, novelty, serendipity, and diversity. So these are the four things. So if you are not clear what it means, you can just go to the previous video and you have a understanding of the concepts, and then we come to this video. Because in this video and forthcoming videos, we will be discussing each and every secondary goal in a detailed way. So in this video, out of these four different types of secondary goals, there is relevance, novelty, serendipity, and diversity. Here we are going to discuss about the first secondary goal of the recommender system, that is relevance. Okay. So previously I have just given you a basic overview of what is relevance is all about. But now in this video we will be discussing somewhat in a detailed way. Okay. So this relevance, that is as you all know, what we are going to discuss with this relevance is, because I have divided into four different things, that is in order to understand what are the contents we are going to discuss based on relevance. First and foremost you want to understand is, this is the basic secondary goal of any recommender system. So why it is a basic secondary goal? Those things we will be discussing. And this relevance is always dependent upon the user's known interest. So why it is so, we will be discussing. And it will always give the interesting or valuable and useful information. So that's why we are, so those things we will be discussing. And what are the different metrics that are going to be followed in relevance based secondary goals, okay, of the recommender system. Those things we will be discussing. So this is the overall content what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So moving on. What do you mean by relevance? Already I have told, because the relevance is the most basic secondary goal. Why? Why it is called as most basic secondary goal? Because it refers to how well the recommender items align with the user's known interest. Okay, the recommender systems has to align with the user's known interest. That's why it is called as the most basic secondary goal. See, in this relevant based recommender system, the user will always find a very useful, a very interesting, and a very valuable information which is most needed by him. Okay, and here in this relevance topic we will be using some metrics. Some of the metrics are something like precision, recall, mean average precision, that is in short it is called as MAP. So these are the different metrics used for the secondary goal, that is relevance in a recommender system concept. See, for example, if you frequently watch a scientific fiction movies, the recommender system will suggest a new scientific fiction film, and that is called as a relevance. Hope you are clear with the relevance. Okay. See, I will just repeat it again. If you are frequently watching in internet the science fiction movies, and in the background the recommender system based algorithm is running at the back, it will always suggest the science fiction based film, a new science fiction based film, and this concept is called as a relevance. Okay, and this concept is called as a relevance. Okay, I am just briefing on what is relevance in the recommender systems, which is a very important and basic secondary goal of the recommender systems. So just we are coming to closing of this session. Anyway, these things has been discussed in many of the videos. What is the need for this recommender system? But those who are new, I just want to repeat it again. Why we are going with the recommender system is because the internet is flooded with information. We have lots and lots of millions and crores and billions of informations available in internet. So that's the main challenging aspect, where we want to find this particular user needs this particular information. So that's what this recommender system is all about, is going to do it. And the main important thing is the user experience is best if because of this recommender system concept. And finally, the business growth is very good. Okay, because whatever I like, I will buy. For example, in the internet, if it is going to be enlisted with whichever item in a random way, sometimes I may notice the unlike items. So these things will ruin your business growth. So in order to enhance the business growth, you want to use a good recommender system. So recommender system helps in business growth, and many MNC companies are using recommender systems like Apple, Netflix, Amazon, TripAdvisor, many things. Okay, many companies, MNC companies are using. And what are the job opportunities for AI students? See, these models which are running at the back are really tuned and trained by an AI engineer. So only if you understand recommender system concepts, only if you understand the terminologies and standards or the words that are frequently used in recommender systems, then you can understand the concepts of AI easily. Because AI foundation is nothing but your recommender system. The foundation of AI is recommender system. So with this, I just want to conclude, and I am really very thankful for your time. Thank you. Please give a thumbs up if you really like this video. If you have any comments, let me know your views. And if you feel that this particular video will be useful to someone, you can just share it. And if you feel that most of the videos which I post to this channel are useful to you, please subscribe to this channel and give me a support. Thank you.